Okay, working on my ball screw mount design for the Y-axis, and I'm running double nutted ball screws because they're supposed to be zero lash. One thing, the way these work is the one nut's tensioned up against the other one, and that sets your preload on it. The only thing that holds this together are two little set screws. And then they're set into this little collar here, which is a pretty mild steel. Problem with this is when you put this in the machine and it's under load, there is no way those little two set screws are going to hold this ball screw together. It's going to work apart and you're going to wind up with some serious slash. I know that Linear Motion on eBay takes and puts a shim between the two, tensions it down on that, and then mills a slot and puts like a little bridge plate over to connect the two together. The problem I see with that is these screws are going to wear somewhat, and you don't really have a way to re-tension it and set the preload on it unless you pull the shim out and try and grind another one a couple thousandths thicker and then get it to line up on that bridge plate again, in the same exact spot. Hopefully I'm making sense on that. So what I'm opting to do is tension the two together, just get your preload set and everything. And then to secure it, well, we're going to do that by way of mount design. So your ball screw will slip through the mount. And you can see that it'll stop right there. And then you have the other half of the mount back here, which is split open so that you can take and put a couple bolts in it, then clamp this back piece. That way you'll be able to tension your ball screw, set your preload and everything on it, and then clamp it to keep it from rotating. When it's up and in the machine, you'll actually be able to get a hold of the end of this and still get at the two screws to make your adjustment. So that should be better than most setups. I don't know how other people do it, or that's my game plan. That's how I'm going to do it. I think it's going to work out well. If anybody's got any insight on that, go ahead and feel free to speak your mind or forever hold your peace. That's it for today. More coming up.